my god, look at that view. Today I'm gonna be cycling Pulau Ubin. It's like an island just off the coast of Pasir Ris Beach. I've never actually been to Pulau Ubin, so this should be pretty interesting. Tires on my bike. It's Continental GP 5000 STR. So this is almost like my first time riding with it, and I gotta say, there is a difference. Feels like my grip on the road is just so much better. Okay, well, this is it. Let's see what this island has in store. Bro, but I ain't gonna lie, man, I like timed it just right. Look at that view! Jesus. It's got Singapore over there. Alright. I'm attached this to my chest mount and let's explore. Oh shit, it's like really cool. It's nice and chilly. Alright, okay, let's go. Cute little dog. Oh shit, am I gonna get a nice view? Quick view check. Oh my god. Jeez, that's nice. Bro, it's actually pretty cold. God damn. Yeah, look, 24 degrees. Or maybe it's not cold, but it's nice. Shit, there's like a trail in there. Should I go to the trail? Alright, fuck it, let's go to the trail. Let's take my bike on gravel. Shit, cobweb. Side. Avoid the big rocks. Okay, where did I end up? Ooh, this is nice. Maybe crocodiles. Ooh. Big ass monitor lizard. Well, I'm not sure about this, guys. There's a fucking croc come fuck. Is this it? Oh no, this isn't. Bro, why is this so sucks? Okay, what's this? It's a nice little beach. Oh shit! A nice little beach indeed. Oh shit, almost gonna fall. I bet. Holy. Yeah, look at this place. Jesus. There's one nice view. Okay. So that's it. Oh shit, look at that. I don't even know what that is. Really awesome place, goddamn. Okay. Go back. Now I don't want to scare myself, but a lot of people say that this place is haunted, so holy shit. Yo, that scared the balls out of me. It's just a coconut though. Nice view. Oh, this is really cool. This is nice. Oh, I thought that leaf was a monkey. I don't even know if there are monkeys on this island, because on the mainland there are, so I'm not sure. Alright, I have to take a left right here. Ooh, nice little uphill, okay. Yeah, you see there are a lot of abandoned houses. Which is why people say it's haunted, but I don't know. Okay. Oh, this is nice. I don't even know where I'm going. Do I keep going here? Yes, I do. Alright, we can keep following this path down. Yeah. Ooh, police camp. Big ass bump in the road. Oh my god. Alright. Okay, is it dead end? Oh, oh my days! I just avoided a big ass pothole. Holy! Oh my god, that would have been the end of me. Yeah, I'm on a mountain bike. I could do it. No pussy shit, you know? Oh my days. Oh shit. Oh my god. Yeah, I cannot ride my bike into that. Yes? What do you want? I got no